Hi, I'm Gareth, and I'm going to show you around One Fox Lane, which is a community creative space in Cardiff. Okay, here we go. So this is the courtyard area. We've caught a good time because here you can see the kiln where lots of pottery is being fired. There's a pottery studio down here. We've also got Anna, who is making stuff. Hi, Anna! Anna's an artist. You can see that we've got a stone carver over here, Alex. Here's some of his wares. Very nice work. And then upstairs, I'll take you past the music room, which we're currently doing some work on, but you get a little feel for it. There's the decks there. Studio space where various bits and bobs are made, such as this insect hotel here. And then here's the communal space that is used for all sorts of crafty bits and bobs. We occasionally have films and events, and then we craft evenings, all sorts really. So welcome to Fox Lane and Merry Christmas.